So today we are going to learn the use of the words too, too much, too many and enough. So the first word is too. Before an adjective or adverb. We use too before an adjective or an adverb to mean more than we need or more than is necessary. You're too young to enter this club. We arrived too late. These are two examples for using the word too. The next word is too much. Before an uncountable noun, we can use too much before uncountable nouns to mean more than we need or more than is necessary. The doctor said that I drink too much coffee. I hate the city, there is too much traffic. So in this example, you can see that this woman has too much work to do. The next word is too much. After a verb. We can also use too much after a verb. You can't take the car, you have drunk too much. He talks too much. In this example, the woman is talking too much. You can see this. The next word is too many. Before a plural noun. We use too many before plural nouns to mean more than we need or more than is necessary. I didn't enjoy the concert, there were too many people. They lost because they made too many mistakes. These are two examples of too many. The next word is enough. Before a noun, we can use enough plus noun to say that something is the correct number or amount. Do you have enough butter to cook? I have saved enough money to go to Rome on holiday. The next word is enough with a negative. In negative sentences, we use not enough plus noun to say that something is less than we need or want. We don't have enough money to travel. I don't have enough time to finish my homework before Monday. So in this video, the woman is not having enough money. So this is one of the examples. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed learning today.